Hi guys. Let's start by today's live. In today's live, welcome to everyone first. It's really a great day. It's going to be for CoinEx Smart Chain and their users. Uh, Today, because we are going to look at the MetaFi results. So we all know that CoinEx Smart Chain has a hackathon event which is named as MetaFi, and it's really a great event. You know that, right? So most of the people would be like notified of this project and they were following. Most of them have even applied for this event. So today the results were announced as it is the result day. So yeah, as promised, here you can see the winners result, like up to 9 10 11 winners have been announced. So we'll look at these projects mainly, like the participants are more than 422 plus projects participants have been there. So out of this, we'll be have selected at around 11 have been selected as a winner. So we'll be looking at those projects, and we just go around a little bit of exploration. These projects are deployed in testnet, right? Testnet of CoinEx Smart Chain. Some of them might have the URL deployed here, some might have their video to be available here. So mainly this session is where we are going to focus on the part of these things alone. So particularly we have 11 projects, right? So we take a look around each one of them, maybe like starting with the first winner place. So I will try to take that notes where I have the winners list. Yeah, so this winners list have been taken from CoinEx Smart Chain Telegram announcement. So here also you can correlate and you can check the details. So the gold first place was the planet second, so it secured the first place. So this was the one. So we take a little bit of time into that project. So it's really, I have did some part of exploration in the project, looking at their YouTube channel. So I found some of the really great things at them. So it is like, uh, it's like Lego model gameplays, which has more many and many games, which is available on mobile platform. So you can just it has, like, it has fight battles, you can have a discover, interact, and anything that you can do. It's everything is almost available in this metaverse game, which is completely available on mobile platform. So it is already there. So it also provides users with the tools and 3D materials on PC and mobile apps, so they can build their 3D contents or mobile games without any performing any language, so any knowledge. So it basically, right, without any coding skills set, you will be able to develop the games in their platform. So I think it's really cool. And but yeah, there is one such condition, is that they will be built based only with the 3D contents that are available in the game. So yeah, but it's a really great thing, right? So I saw some of them videos, right? So many games are available, guys. So like, it is really a great thing. They have 10,000 plus daily active users in 60 days without any token incentives. So time management, improve skills of new team members. Yeah, we can check their YouTube channel. I have already checked at that, but yeah, let's go through. Maybe we will be able to find some of the videos. So here you're seeing, right? So these are some of the games that are available. So I really find some of them are really good, guys. So yeah, it's really a great thing, right? So you have n number of options to, you have a chance to create your game. If you remember this, it was more over like Fall Guys or Stumble Guys. Even I played this, so let's try to have a look at it. Sorry guys, so it's a little bit buffering. Yeah, so these are the games that are available. Maybe we can take a look at the second video. So deadly weapons, most many features, many games are already available. And we will make a video of it separate. We don't want to like spend the most of the time here. So yeah, when they have a car game, yeah. So what's next for planets? Secondly is that so they have a marketing and expand the scalability of the servers. By deploying node servers, we enable users to secure proper functioning of the game engine. This platform ensures the planet second is distributed open metaverse not owned by a single company will not be shut down due to any individual decision. Say a good thing. So I have looked out some of the website. I'm not able to reach this art68.com. I have checked the YouTube. Maybe we'll look at this Google Slides. So by the meantime it is loading, we will go back and we'll try to find the next project. So Pocket VR. So this is also a really good project. From here you'll be able to find it. So I think it's a APK file being downloaded, right? 235 MB. So yeah, we put a pause. Maybe we will try it out later in the upcoming video sessions, not in the live. It would take some time, right? So yeah, focusing on the second project, which is I'll try to take the notes first. So here you see gold place was secured by Planet Second, and the next is silver, which is CSC Pocket VR and shared by Footy SZ and CoinEx. So these two secure the second place. So here you see I have already looked at those video. So it has like uh, it allows the visual artist to be have their art gallery deployed in metaverse, and you can it has already we are already implemented. The NFTs will be minted as one collections of it like a gallery, like you can mint up to four things, like one ad for some any chain. So it will be like CoinEx smart chain ad to art galleries and some of the ads that can be added. So it was really a great thing when I saw that video. So here you see, right, public beta is available. So does not want to be or create new token economy. So it is using the focus of mainly decentralization. It is already have a website here. Here you see, right, you can create your own VR gallery. So I was seeing this gallery already. So it was really cool, irrespective of the canvas size, right? So it is taking the input, and you can publish your art paintings in this type of gallery. So here you see you can print up to nine paintings in one this gallery. So here maximum four. They have different types of galleries where you can create for yourself. It could be great. Here you are placing the paintings in the gallery, right? If it is much more where you can create the gallery completely, it could be great. So but it is just now taken, right? It is still in development phase, but it's really a cool thing how their visuals and graphics are there. So it's really a cool idea how their metaverse has been outlined. It's really a great thing. So you can place your NFT galleries here, artist. If you're an artist, if you're a creator, you can put it and you can display it in the gallery. It's really a cool thing. So it is available in VR. So I was seeing the demo, which I was able to see. He was able to explore it in the gallery itself. So demo one, let's check. Why not? I think you should be able to have an option of open in VR or somewhat. I saw it was there, but it should be browser compatible, and we should have a VR. Not to forget on that. So by the time it is their Google Slides of plans again. The first one, open text NFT project. social casino, crypto sports betting, brought in 10k without any token incentives. PC, VR, mobile, use GC Metaverse. Sky Casino, create, earn, play to earn. Yeah, it's really a cool thing, right? They are in Gamify. There will be Guildify and Socialfy. Had to be available, I guess. They have a really good, their way of presenting the sites really great. Bridge to multi-chains, round A token funding, round B, okay, B token funding for launchpad. Okay, ICO, they will be having an ICO. I sure will be there. It's really a good project and it has a great thing, right? So Roblox, you know that, right? It has a market game token. So it has a market cap of 21.2 billion and it hit the market cap of nearly 80 billion. So Sandbox is also worth 5 billion. So their competitor as Planet again has a huge growth potential for growth and financial return. So it's time to shape the future metaverse. So that's what their market cap potential. It's sure like this amount of possible. Even it we can't say it might even beats the already existing games. It's really a great thing what they offer. If they able to attain whatever they are saying in guildify and socialify or implemented, it's sure it's have a very very big chance. Here you see, right, you need to make it option enabled. So I saw you can check it with inspect and turn off some WebGL or some things. I don't remember it, but uh, uh, not sure where it is. Not sure where it will be, but you will be able to see it and you will be able to have the chance to open it in VR. So yeah, so it is now our browser is not compatible with VR, but it should be available soon. So on to the next project. So I think we need to go a little bit faster here at this time. Footy SCZN CoinEx. So they are like playing a football fantasy football game. uh, so let's look at their images. Even I am exploring them for the first time. So select players to mint, and they have real world attribute players, I guess. So chaotic or not user friendly, so lose interest. Maybe we can play out a video of how it's going to be turning out. Staking option ends up being unplayable in the long run. So we want to provide player participant with a Web3 game that they can always enjoy and earn while playing. It's a fantasy football game. Imagine it real life football players. Yeah, it is encoded with the real life player skills. Fantasy sports require a lot of data that require be built an oracle to pull from multiple sport API. Okay, it's have a real-time update for the users. Okay, experience for regular web users. 4K plus unique accounts and team created 1K participants. Here you see, right, they can create and you can add it to your squad. So irregular of the club, or you can select any player. So here they are filtering at the clubs, but you can, it has option to not with respect to particular club. You can cross and you can add from any club you want the player. So I don't watch so much of a football. So you need to mint it. So after minting, let's check what we need to do. Maybe we'll get an idea. So how that is, whether you need to play. So it could be better if they had an audio explaining it. Okay, so it's like based on the rankings of the NFT players that you have mentored and the squad, you will be getting the prices, I guess. NFTs. So I think we need to close this. So you can win n number of NFT players that you want. Match day 10 team will be open up after this time. Okay, 2 days. So till that you can change your team. You can create your own squad. So it is there in testnet. I think we need to spend the most of the time exploring it, the projects from the winning list, right? Oh, they have a really cool and innovative ideas, so it might take some time to explore itself, I guess. Yeah, it's regular NFTs and those stuffs, but how they will be making this game play whether. So those things we need to explore, right? It might take some time. Here, yeah. So it is a fantasy game. So that's based on the real world player skill set. But what we need to know is whether it's like what happens if the players those which selected it does not have a good ranking. So whether they have a rarity or how like if football stars will have a big value in minting it. So these details we still yet don't know. Maybe we'll explore it in a separate session. So what we need to know is that they have a mobile app, and for iOS as well as Android, escrow for core, private, and one versus one for now. And there will be private league World Cup coming soon. Okay, that's really a great thing. So next, let's look at the fourth project. Yeah. So yeah, I've already seen this project. So it is same to what you have seen in earlier. So it helps you to build a 3D gallery to display all your NFTs. So collectibles collections in OpenSea into 3D version gallery. So or you can mint your own NFTs with they have their own marketplace. So they have Launchpad, IGO, INO, and the upcoming features they have bulk minting, new gallery template, so new support for MP4 GLB formats. Yeah, they have like marketplace here. Yeah, let's try to find it. csc.brolab.io meta gallery project Soroko, sorry, it's taking some time to load. Okay, the UI is nice. Yeah, you can mint Luffy NFTs, feature NFTs, 10 bro. See, so they have their own token, it seems. Here we can enter the gallery and we can also check. So you know what, we might uh, take this session faster with the winning list and mainly there what is the main feature of it. We will take the other resting sessions separately. So yeah, so this is cool. Socio fun first. So as programmers and gamers, so we no longer wish to create a project to allow us to combine the strength. So we have a lot of Web 2 and Web 3 as a community owned, and everything was focused around communities. So yeah, Social Funverse is a small fun world game where users can play missions, talk with each other, and visit other users' fun world and talk. So yeah, oh, it's cool. It's nice. Okay, and can be utilized in fun world. So with CoinEx, purchase in-game coins and utilize coins to buy an in-game item. So it's I think it is like Minecraft, I guess. So they have separate worlds. It seems multiplayer in multiverse games, fun fight with others, play game missions,
Going to
create your
present
own fun
Socio
world.
Funverse game, a fun metaverse where player can create their fun world, talk with each other, and complete missions.
Let it load. Uh, Accomplishments. Yeah, start coming together. Only part is not the technical. The most important thing is the sign of the virtual economy. So a lot to learn about the designing the virtual economics. Built with CoinEx, Firebase, Photon, Photoshop, Unity, Web3. Okay, let's now have the audio.
And we have received token, and numbers are increased. If we talk about UI, then on laptop side we can see number of ERC 2020 token which we are getting in daily reward. Next to it, number of coins which you can buy from in-app purchase or we can win during the missions. Next to it, number of completed missions. If you can go to right side, if you click on this icon, this is NFT shop. These items we can buy with coins, and these are basically NFT 1155 which we can use in our fun world. If you click on this icon, this is coin shop where we can buy coins with CoinEx testnet. Oh, someone is there in this socio fun world. We can also talk with them or we can do some chit chat. As a fun, we can do some fights. This is very funny. We can also visit funverse of that angel. So basically, this funverse is created by that angel girl. So we can also check other players NFT. If we can explore the world, we can see different missions. This is mission 1. Let's start the mission. If we will, yeah. So in 40 seconds, if we can collect 5 balls, then we will win and we will receive some coins in rewards. And yes, we have completed the mission and we NFT minting and other extra stuff. So if we talk about tech stack, then we have used CoinEx testnet to deploy smart contracts. This game worlds. It was really great experience of learning and building during this event. Thank you so much for giving us.
Yeah, it's really a great thing what they have so far. Yeah, so we know what a social fund was. They have interactive UI and you can interact with the place over there. They can create your own world. You can buy tokens and you can buy some of the items which can be used in the fun world. So yeah, next project is Galactic War. It's something with respect to strategy game. Yeah, yeah, it seems to be gameplay. Kill the most powerful kingdom and army. Okay, they have a lot of things. Kills, liquid assets, mystery boxes, decentralized. A lot of free the time and efforts to advance in games. When online games shut down or the servers are compromised, there is a significant amount of ideas. So some of the rare assets even takes a lot of hard work. So is spent on centralized games. There is high chance what happened to the retained ownership of your asset. So they are solving it by deploying it and store as NFTs and those assets and everything. So assets as NFTs and logic, yeah, ERC 721 standards and in-game currency ERC 20. So it's going to be CSC. By CoinEx, years of confusion, easy learning curve, challenges we ran into, odd for game logic, Writing the whole game logic on the blockchain requires multiple contracts. Yeah, sure. It is built it with Blender, Solidity, and Unity. So I came to know that in some recent times, right? So Unity doesn't have the physics, but it's really hard to bring in the physics like
Hi,
how you
welcome to
have.
the Galactic War. So Galactic War is a real-time strategy free-to-earn game deployed on the CoinEx smart chain. So to start with, first of all, we need to connect our wallet. So if you are trying out first time, you need to confirm a one transaction, initiate your state in the Galactic War smart contract.
Josiah M. and Vich Patel, created by.
So yeah, we got some reward according to the amount of building we destroyed, and the opponent will get rewarded amount of troops.
Let's see whether the fight is happening.
Meanwhile, they can target votes. Okay, good one. So yeah, this that's perfect. So now just only one troop left. Let's see what happens.
Okay, it's strategy gameplay.
So
Yeah,
let's end the
nice.
war. Like fetching a result.
It's cool. It's really good thing. So you can design your own way. So it's like COC, but it's really a cool way how they have designed. Yeah, it's great. It's really a great game. So Trankers, community-led online play and earn game. Less enjoyable play and earn model, more enjoyable, focus on strong community growth, less entry barrier, on more the young generation. Code decoders, okay. Next.js, Unity, Moonbeam, okay. React framework they're using for front end. Ability to buy new tokens and bullet upgrades. All modern browsers supported in-game token management. Tech stack, backend, Solidity, IPFS. The ownership. We have this much to be done. Complex tokenomics. They have a tokenomics. We will fast forward a little bit.
fully, and the owner value has been updated to 2. And yeah,
So it is
so the user
also
can
seem to
now
be a
claim the
strategy
token that
gameplay.
he has earned. So right now he has earned 1 token. Destroy enemy ships that are appearing, and turrets as well. Yeah. So as you can see here, the game is completed, and based on the score, the user can now claim the tokens that he has earned. So right now he has earned 1 token. So let's click on claim, and let's just wait for a second. Yeah. So as you can see in the bottom left corner, the TRT token balance has been increased. The tokens that he has earned. Yeah. So as you can see here, the game is completed, and based on the score, the user can now claim the tokens that he has earned. So right now he has earned 1 token. So let's click on claim, and let's just wait for a second. It's completed. And
Yeah, it's strategic seems to be a strategic gameplay type. Yeah, buy new tanks and bullet upgrades. Yeah, it's tank. The gameplay is with strategic gameplay. It's mainly with this tank, so you can upgrade, you can buy weapons. So those things you can do it. So yeah, it's really a cool idea. So it's remind me of the initial childhood days where we have some tank games like you have to shoot it with based on different powers stuff, so you'll be able to win an opponent. There was even bots with some of the powers like worm and five shots, triple shots like that. It was like really a cool thing, so it remind me of that game. Yes, great. So moving on, we have Nomad Tycoon. So it should be also combines traditional board game with modern metaverse to create a enjoyable game which can be played by everyone in an immersive manner. It's a great experience as user gets to experience of their building their own empire and turn their character into business tycoon. It's a real life simulation game. Okay, it's equal opportunity to become a tycoon by managing their assets properly. Okay, nice. Future development, adding more islands, adding assets, providing liquidity, more gamification. Gameplay lies in managing your assets and growing your enterprise. So also needs certain amenities such as food, sleep, health, and player must provide these necessities, otherwise they end up paying FD fines. So more detailed overview of the tokenomics, coin, business, cards, like health card, steel card, food card, skip card, business, can buy. Okay, we currently have three business available: hotel, restaurants, and hospitals. The main currency of the game, gnome coin. Let's go on the David at Web3. Let's just find how there you maybe the pictures available. Yeah. Okay. There are many islands it seems. So you can explore that and you can build your business.
Is that you can only buy an asset on an island if you are present on that island. So if I go to Web3 island, I will not able to purchase any of the assets that are located in this island. But if I go towards the ZK island, I will be able to purchase these assets. So you will have to be present on that island, and to change that island, you will need to roll a dice. So the dice provides on-chain random numbers to our game. So these on-chain random numbers help player randomly move in different islands and extract value from those islands. So now I'll sign this transaction and roll the dice, and let's see what island we end up in. So we ended up on island number 1. So as you can see, our character have already has moved to the island 1, which is our MetaFi island. And now, so due to this, it guarantees that you will transfer between islands, and we are increasing island constantly. And now, as you can see, every island has a cost, profit, and loss associated with it. So the maximum profit you can gain in this island is 200 tokens, while the loss is 150 tokens. So if you look at the
Okay.
other island, which is the Web3 island, it has $410 in a token profit, while it has 360.
Yeah, it's really a great concept, guys. So I think it could be really cool, like what they have said, right? So if they have more number of islands and they increase their gamification, as I have mentioned, it's really great. It could be. So I like love the underlying concept what they have, like it's tied to a real world, more of a real world simulation. So it's like us playing the game, so instead of VR. So it's really a great thing, like how they're conceptualized. Like you need to get your food, eat, sleep, and drink and do every such stuffs. So I think it's really a great thing, right? So if they have more number of islands, it could be and add more businesses. It has a great potential, surely. Yeah. So yeah, that's what I feel about this project. and Mint Llama. So yeah, so sometimes ago it's called Start NFT. A lot of non-technical users tried it and generate their NFT images. Okay, it is a tool that enables everyone to create and deploy NFT collection without coding knowledge. So, but I think we have more number of those stuffs. So it's adding tools for image generation, adding it more UX friendly, and getting it to end users. So yeah, I think we need to know what is different than compared to anything. So yeah, the UI is cool. So you can add drop. Okay, it's a bulk tool, so you can do whatever you want as a part of for multiple transactions. So if you check the list, right, so bronze, meta gallery, social flowers, yes, for this we have look, we are in Mint Lava, and there are two other projects that are runners up. Speed, I think we need to fast forward a little bit, we don't have more time. Said already we have dropped out many users, and the live is more than 30 minutes. Yeah, so you can create a whitelist. Okay, the wallets, deploy. Oh, it's easy to have a, this is very easy, right? So that way it is really cool. I think there are more values in their UI and how they're making it simple. Yeah, so it has it helps you to mint collections, and you can send it to NFTs. So it's all-in-one tool for NFT minting and deployment and having an auction and sales. So yeah, and yeah, so we have two other projects to be looked at. Charla, so it is a social media platform. Marxian. Charla is to take what Twitter started and leverage the power of blockchain to ensure that everyone has voice and cannot be silenced. Comes from Chatter, it's a Spanish team. Challenges, what we learned, what's next for proof of concept, and make all the features you see listed on the left side taskbar, such as messaging profiles, list, create post, and interact with the smart contract that powers the D app. Get contract deploy and CSC testnet, connect wallet. So what does it offer use for now? So it's like more or a tweet. It's a replication of Twitter where you'll be able to post your tweets. Yeah, there are going to be features like messaging and these things, profiles and list, those stuffs are going to be available. Yeah, it's really cool thing, like at present the most important things that is going on with the messaging and social media, as there are many newses that are coming up. So I feel it is going to be, this whole social media is the first thing that is going to be moving to Web3 completely. At first, I guess, even before starting off any other projects, I thought it's going to be gamified. It started, but at future, as the advancements nowadays we are seeing, it's going to be definitely social fight. First, it's going to be in Web3. and crypto lottery. So the global online lottery market. Looking forward, experts market to reach similar to a Powerball lottery. A player must choose the 4-5 numbers. Yeah, when round will end, the player can claim a reward and from the smart contract instantly without borders. Okay, multi-chain support, multi-wallet support, mobile wallet work. Just have a 2 to 3 minutes of their video, just a glimpse. So I think we have covered all the projects, right? So we know what, at least like what the project is main motive, and we already like have a most of the stuffs covered here. So crypto lottery, so you can choose the numbers that you think it could be drawn from the winning list. You need to spend some CT to it. So if you're in the winning list, choose your winning numbers. You are allowed to maximum of 6 numbers for this game. So you can choose your things. It has in multiple networks. Sure, you see if you have won, you should be able to claim it. So that's how the game works. uh yeah guys, thank you. It's a fair warning, right? So these projects uh are in testnet, so it is not yet available in CoinEx Smart Chain. They are the winners of CoinEx Smart Chain hackathon MetaFi. So for more results, please make sure, or more updates on CoinEx Smart Chain projects,